Get the best sunroom installation solutions in Gulfbreeze, Florida. If you're looking to invest in a new sunroom addition, the team at Titan Sunrooms have the solution for you. Adding a sunroom to your home can bring the outdoors in and incorporate natural light. Titan Sunrooms, a general contractor in Gulfbreeze, launched an updated range of sunroom design and installation services for local clients. The company offers a 40-year installation warranty on all of their sunroom products and services. Go to TitanSunrooms.com for more info.